STEMpedia International Teacher Training Day 5. So I have used the matplotlib for the plotting the school data in which teaching hours, student study hours, admin hours, and the screen time of the student has been used. That has been mentioned from line number 8 to 11. Then I have defined the size of the figure. Then I have defined the four different sections with the different markers, different labels, and every details into line number 17 to 20. Then I've created the title and labels, X label, Y label, and the plot title from line number 23 to 25. Then the grid also mentioned from line number 28 to 29. Complete data set into two parts, that's like combining teaching hours, student hours, admin hours, and the screen time into one data set. And then another one is the color. In line number 35, 36, 37, we are collectively plotting all those data. So if you carefully look in the for loop, outer for loop, we are using the zip. So that is combining data set and the colors, and iteratively it will plotting all those values like teaching hours. So we do not need to put the separate statement for those, and indexing has been used. And finally the writing the layout and the plot show. So let me run this for you so you will have a better picture for this. So here is a better picture for you now. This is the Y label, X label, and the title. And as per the position, these are the legends for the details, and the color has been mentioned, right? So mostly on the Saturday, every work is less. We can understand out of this graph. So the graph are more impactful for the human minds and easy to analyze the data. Thank you very much.